Samsung Galaxy S series has always offered best-in-class hardware along with flagship features. The brand has finally launched Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus at Galaxy Unpacked event. Hey everyone, my name is Manav. This is Gadget 360 and in this video, we will be sharing our first look of Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. So let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus have received some minor upgrades in terms of design. The color scheme of the device is quite similar to the previously launched Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, but with color matched frames that have flat sides with rounded edges. Around the back, there are matte finish glass back with the Samsung branding and a triple camera system with an accompanying flash. Now let's talk about the camera system. Both smartphones comes with a 50 megapixel primary camera with OIS and f1.8 aperture, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with f2.2 aperture and a 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom and f2.4 aperture along with the flash. As far as the front camera is concerned, it comes with a 12 megapixel shooter which has f2.2 aperture. The frame of Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus have a matte finish, are made from the aluminium and look very different from the model it replaces. At the bottom of these smartphones is the USB Type-C charging port, speaker grill, microphone and SIM card tray. Just like the previous models, both of the smartphones come with a flat display with a hole punch cutout for the camera. The Galaxy S24 has a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, while the Galaxy S24 Plus has a 6.7-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. Both smartphones support variable refresh rate of up to 120Hz and are HDR10 certified. The Samsung Galaxy S24 has a 4000 mAh battery with 25W wired charging support, while the S24 Plus has a 4900 mAh battery with 45W wired charging support. Both phones are powered by Exynos 2400 SoC that are said to have been customized for the S24 series. Both smartphones also run OneUI 6.1, which is based on Android 14 and packs some new AI-enabled features. The Samsung Galaxy S24 is offered with 8GB of RAM and is available in 128GB, 256GB and 512GB storage variants, while the Galaxy S24 Plus is offered with 12GB of RAM and is available in 256GB and 512GB storage variants. What do you think about the Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus? Do let us know in the comment section. Until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.